Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today's video is a follow-up from my Alma BB unboxing. I think in that video I said I would do a what's in my bag video, and a few people said they'd like to see that, so I thought I'd do that video today. If you want to see what fits in my Alma BB, then keep on watching. So here is my baby, my Alma BB. She's quite packed right now. Got quite a few bits in there, if you guys can see. So I'm just going to talk through what is inside. So to start off with, I have some lotion. This is a must. Can't be going around with dry hands because that's not cute. So I just always make sure that I keep lotion in all of my handbags that I take out. This one is by Bioderma. Yeah, I don't particularly love or hate this. It's just a general hand cream that I have in my bag. So also in my bag I have some Kleenex wipes. I've always kind of carried wipes around with me. I've always been a bit of a germaphobe before the pandemic, before it was cool. But yeah, I've always been a bit of a germaphobe, so I always carry wipes around with me and antibacterial gel. So I've got those in there. I've got a mask in my bag. I always just make sure I've got a mask because I'm one of those people that I end up going out. I guess it's not the norm, so I always end up forgetting. What else have I got in there? I randomly got a watch in there. I'm not sure why, but I've got my Casio watch in there. I must have just taken it off at some point. In the back pocket, I've got the little pouch which carries the padlock. So I just leave that in the back pocket. I never actually use it. It's just in there for decoration, to be honest. And then also in the little pouch at the back, I have a tester perfume, and this is Matière Noire by Louis Vuitton. I also have some antibacterial gel in here, mango scented antibacterial gel. I really like to get these or have these on me whenever I go to America, or when I have a chance, or if I know anyone going to America. I normally ask them if they can bring back the Bath and Body Works, the tiny ones, because those are really cute and they come in really nice scents, and they're just nice to put in your handbag to carry around. But this one is quite a big one and it fits quite nicely inside my bag. So I also have some Kleenex tissues in here. You always need to carry tissues, they just always come in handy. You never know, so yeah, I have those in there as well. And then I have my work phone in here, which is always off, to be honest, but it's in there for some reason. I have my AirPods in there as well. Always using those, so those are handy. And then last but not least, I have my, I don't know if you guys can see, I have my mini pochette there, which I just keep unzipped. It just fits perfectly inside. So I'll just take that out. So in my mini pochette, I just have tampon in here. I have some lip gloss in there. I have my bank card. I have these interdental brushes in there to use if I go out to eat, if I need to sort myself out. I have a few receipts in here, like post office receipts, some chewing gum. And then I always keep someone commented that I buy this chain from a seller on eBay. So I always keep this in my bag as well, or in the mini pochette. This is for the mini pochette if I want to wear it by itself. I just keep it in the bag because it just makes it easier. So that is it really for what's inside my bag. I normally have a small bottle of water in here as well if I'm going out, but I don't have one in there right now, and it normally fits without any problems. Zips up okay, don't have any issues with that. As you can see, there's still a bit of space, I could still put a few things in there. But I don't want to overpack the bag because it doesn't look very nice if it is like that. So yeah, it's quite a spacious bag. I really love this bag. It's been my go-to recently if I'm going out and I just want something cute to carry with me. And it fits all the essentials. That is it, guys. I hope that was useful. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.